Did you know that you can have Excel automatically enter dates in your spreadsheet? All you have to do is get Excel to understand your sequence of dates and use AutoFill to do the rest. I've entered 2 dates on my screen, both are Mondays, so I've highlighted both. Click on the fill handle and drag as far as I like. And there you go, I have every Monday listed. Just to prove it, I'll go to Format Cells, Control 1, choose Custom, add 3 extra Ds and a space, and click OK. Brilliant! And that's why you need Quasar, improving efficiency and effectiveness with Microsoft Office. For more information, call us now on 08458 626265 or visit www.quasar.co.uk.